Plastic cooling pads can be reused over and over again, but properly cleaning them for reuse is time-consuming and labor-intensive. Don't you think it's time for a change? Introducing the PFT Cooling Pad Washer, the neat and efficient solution to getting your production up and running again in no time. The cooling pad washer connects to 3 high-pressure cleaners. The hoses and water gun are included, and the central drain pipe disposes of your dirty wash water responsibly. And cleaning your cooling pad is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Place your cooling pad on the drawer. 2. Clean its sides with the built-in high-pressure water gun. 3. Let our machine do the rest. No more banging pads on the floor, no more damaging the corners. The standard 3-inch water pipe funnels your wash water directly into the drain, thereby keeping your workspace clean. The machine also helps you to improve workplace safety. Not only is your workspace cleaner, but you are also spared the strain on your back and joints from bending for hours while operating a pressure washer. You also no longer need to work on the floor, meaning no more damage to your cooling pads, and no sore arms, hands, or back for you. The machine helps you to achieve a better end result faster. In other words, it saves you labor, time, and water, all of which ultimately save you money. The rugged stainless steel design is compact and equipped with wheels, making the PFT cooling pad washer easy to move. An optional vibration table is available for areas with high calcium content in the water. Upgrade your layer or broiler farm with a PFT cooling pad washer. Efficiency with every wash.